Hey guys, we're back with another video on Roblox Vehicle Simulator. We're going to be playing with my friends. I don't know what they're doing right now. He said race. Let's do something. Let's do something. Meet at so I had to do a race with them. I don't know where they went. Let's tell them, guys, let's all meet at I said guys. Hello, where are you? Yes, I almost have it. I can find them. So let's just keep doing the video. So I got this sick car. And I want to show you guys it. And last video, I spent so much Robux. I spent 4,000 Robux. 4,000. That's a lot. Oh, I found a crate, guys. Let's get this crate. It's a crate. Let's say this. I got flannel. Okay. Let's say race at highway race. Race at highway race. Race at highway race. Okay. No. Race at highway race, yeah. Race at highway. Race at highway race, yeah, baby. Is that it? Oh, dang it. Okay. Music 3. Music 3 Wither. Music 3 Wither. So first music 3 Wither. Okay. Right, Wither. 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 Wither isn't inside the game. Okay, guys. My friend did left. Listen up here. Okay, I just had to tell him no. My mom said I cannot play with her. So, the time is 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. For 10 minutes. 10 whole minutes. I have no idea what this guy's playing, but I'm leaving. Bye. I'm just bye, sucker! Yeah! Oh yeah. Wait, I shouldn't even be playing with him. Well, my mom said I can, but I don't want to do too much stuff with him because he might be a little scary. No offense if you're watching this. No offense. Just my mom said you're like a little, like, I don't know. Okay, let's play. And let's do this video. 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 I'm just kidding. I'm so just kidding. Gonna press citizen. Citizen. And let's do this. Let's do this. I do not care. Oh, okay. Now, do this. Dude, what fastest car in the world, bro? Oh, bro. Fastest car in the world. Fastest car in the world. McLaren BB1. Go. I won. I so won, people, that I am the best. I'm the best. And you guys can't beat me because I'm the best. I'm the best because you guys can't beat me. No one can, no one can, no one can, no one can, no one can. No one can, 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 want my BMW. BMW M6, BMW, 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 BMW. Ready? Ready? Play still. We out. Okay, unfortunately, we'll do one more race and then we're gonna have to end the video, guys. So thank you for watching. Let's hope we win this race. Hit that subscribe button if you already have it, and the like button, and